Start slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake. Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my most amazing traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your new week so far? It's a Monday, guys. It is a Monday for us. So, definitely we have to be strategic, all right? We have to be strategic. So come through, let me know how on my end. I'm here to dive into the market. Definitely, as you remember, we do this together. All right. So come through, join me. Fill me in. What's up on your end when it comes to trading? How are things going? So let us get started. Hi, Raphael. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Mesmerize me by the way that. Okay. Okay. Today I have started off in a lot of French over here, guys. Come through and help me run for my life. That is Khalifa over there. Bonsoir, Lena. Comment allez-vous? Goodness, good, goodness. I just know a little about French. Really. So, anyways, Khalifa, good to have you. Good to have you around. Hope you're doing okay. Good. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. I seem to be understanding, but then I also seem not to be understanding. But good to have you around. Good to have you around. Bonsoir on my end. We are still in the bonjour. So good to have you. Thank you for joining in. So happy to have you around. Nature's Facts is in the building. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. On my end, your girl Lena, whenever you see me over here, just know I'm doing amazing. So always so happy to have you, so happy and so excited to always have you guys here. Okay, so Pocket Option Broker, that is the platform that I'm trading on. And as you know, binary options, that is what I am trading. So come through, let's chat, let's talk trading, let's catch up. How was the weekend? Okay, we get started with our buy position over here. What of her wrong? I was watching. Beautiful. So we close in a plus on our first attempt. Guys, come through. Fill me in. How was your weekend? Khalifa, thank you so much. And I'm really so sorry that I do not know much about French. I really don't know. But I'm okay. I'm doing fine. I always just want to, to interact with someone to make them feel good. But French has thrown me to the ground. So sorry about that. But here I am, your girl Lena. I never change, always the same. All right, so good to have you. That is George over there. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. So, we are going to get into the strategy, guys. I'm going to take us through the strategy. Okay. So, keep coming through. Let us talk about the strategy. Keep talking to me. Let me know where you're watching from, where you're joining in from. All right. Let us get started. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So let me wait on you for a little longer, then we get started. I just want to take you through what I use, which is price action, and how or what I consider, everything that I use for me to consider or for me to confirm my entries. So, right. Ding, ding, ding. Over here, we are having some beautiful momentum, a bullish momentum, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. FIFA Legends, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. After every season, extend. Right there every season. Guys, it's a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. Come through. Let's share. Whenever you see Lena over here, just know we are into trading. We are into learning, because why not? The session is 100% a learning lesson, a learning session. So please keep coming through. Let us talk. Let us know where to touch, such that we improve in our trading. Okay. Son, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Wheezy Khalifa. All right. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? 0 Point. What's up? Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Let's get into it and see. Definitely, we have broken a low over here. West Hunt. Yes, my dear. I'm going to get into it shortly. All right. I was just waiting for the number to increase, and then we get into it. And I don't want to hold you close. I was just waiting for people to check in, for people to come through. Then we get started. But today, we are definitely talking about the strategy. But at some point, I feel like let me start off early enough, such that we have enough time. Why you feel that you need to understand more, please make sure that you ask. All right. Okay. Okay, washi. What's up? Oh, yes. I love that. Okay, so let us get started, guys. It looks like people are ready. Benjamin is locked in. How lovely. Good to have you all. Good to have you, my people. Good to see you. So let us get started right about now. All right. So whenever we talk about price action, I'm going to explain to you how I use it, and definitely how I believe on my end it's my best strategy so far. You could be having your own. I do not say anything about it for as long as you are making profits with it. So I have no problem with you at any one point, because at the end of the day, we are here to make those profits. Okay, so price action, that is a strategy that I'm using. And with that, I have three conditions that I always focus on so much. And they are the ones that I use, and they help me in confirming my entries as I trade or as I'm in the market. One, I have to understand what direction am I in, that I call it market direction. So you and me as traders, we have to understand, are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? All right. Or are we in consolidation? And if we are in any of these directions, what are we supposed to do? How are we supposed to handle a situation? So I look at, my first condition is market direction. The second one is market structure. The third one is candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns refine my entries. They are the ones that give me the final draw to enter into the market. All right. So when we talk about the market direction, we have an uptrend or a bullish direction. We have a bearish or a downtrend. Then we have consolidation or a sideway market. When you talk about an uptrend or a bullish direction, we are talking about buyers being in control of the market. That simply means that the buyers are more in the market. They have taken over, so a lot of buying is taking place. And you, as a trader, depending on the buying momentum, please buy and buy and buy as much as you can in that particular direction. Also, in the sell direction, for as long as we have that amazing momentum, keep selling, selling, selling until the market gives you a different impression that either we are having a pullback or we are going to have a reversal. Then over there you hold up. Okay, you first analyze exactly what is happening in the market, and then you resume your trading. Okay, so when we talk about consolidation, that is when the sellers and the buyers are both in the market. Okay, we do not have that the buyers are more and the sellers are few, or the sellers are more and the buyers are few. Both of them are balanced, and they are both struggling so much to see that any of them takes over the market. So that is a consolidation state. And we have something that we call arranging, how can I say it? That is, whenever I talk about consolidation, we are in a ranging situation, all right? That is where both of them being in the market, that simply means that we are looking at the top of a range and the bottom of that particular range. And when you discover that you are in a range, it's very, very important for you as a trader to know how to go about it. Simplest way is to, if we are at the bottom of that particular range, please make sure that you buy. If you are at the top, make sure that you sell. Okay, so that is the easiest way to attend to a consolidation direction. Then, of course, in an uptrend, we buy for as long as we see those buying opportunities. Then in the downtrend, we sell for as long as we get those selling opportunities. All right. All right. Okay, so when we talk about when we talk about market structure. I've talked about the market direction. So let us talk about market structure. When you talk about a market structure, we have two things that we consider over there. That is major highs and the major lows. We look at those so much. I will say for sure, for people who have been in the market, we know that the market does not move the market does not move in a straight line. Excuse me. The market does not move in a straight line, okay? When we talk about an uptrend, it does not fully just move straight up. We have those higher highs. We keep forming those higher highs and the higher lows in an uptrend, and then in the downtrend we keep forming those lower highs and the lower lows. But it's very important for us to understand what at what point should we know that over here we are definitely going to have a break above. So let me take you through market structure. So for the market structure, that is where the market is moving in series of higher highs and the higher lows, and that is of course an uptrend or a bullish direction. So to get a strong point, it is you or me to understand that strong low, which is a higher low that pushed the market to break the previous high, which is a higher high. And after that break of structure, we are going to anticipate a pullback in that situation. When we anticipate a pullback, that is where, by a pullback, I mean a drop in the price. We have a fall in the price, and then after that, we definitely have a push up. In most cases, after a pullback, we have a continuation in the market in that particular direction. In this case, for an uptrend, all right? So we always have a continuation unless if we move and we break below that strong low. When we break below it, that simply means that we are now encountering or we are having a reversal. So now there everything changes. Now there we know that the sellers are taking over the market. Okay. So that is the situation for an uptrend and market structure where we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. Very, very important to know the strong point that pushes the previous high to break structure. It's very, very important. Then that is for the uptrend. Then when we come to the downtrend, you look at market moving in series of lower highs and the lower lows. So over there, you need to understand the strong high, which is a strong lower high that pushed the market to break the previous low, and after the break of and after sorry about that sorry about that okay, so and after a break of structure, we as well anticipate a pullback. When we have a pullback, like I told you, that is a drop in the price. We were having a certain price, but now we get a drop in that particular price. After that, we are looking at a continuation. We are looking at continuation in selling, all right? Then that at least you know that here I'm going to continue selling unless it so happens and we have a situation where we break above that previous lower high. Once we break above it, definitely there things change. Okay, there we are moving or we are having a reversal. So That is with a market structure. If you have anything about it, you let me know and I can take you through further into the market structure. Then we have the candlestick patterns. You and me, we have to understand candlestick patterns so much. You have to understand market structure so much for you to be able to understand at what point exactly are you supposed to place in your trades. That is, we are not compromising on that. You have to understand. That's it. So with the candlestick patterns, remember we have a number of them. We have very, very many candlestick patterns, including I will always remember the day you came. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I'm back. So, anyways, I was talking about candlestick patterns. We have quite a number of patterns, but if you want to become a very, very good trader or a profitable trader, we have a number of things that we have to consider in trading, or we have a lot of knowledge that we use in trading. But one thing I'm going to advise you out of my experience, all right? And I'm here to share with you how best I've handled myself in trading and how best I have at least done things to make sure that I find trading or I simplify my trading. So with the candlestick patterns, I look so much at the engulfing candles. I look so much at the Marabuzo candles, the hammer candles, and which one do I look at so much? The doji with a rejection. Um, I have I chose just a few of them that I look at and they help me in refining my entries. Okay. The engulfing candles, because they actually give you a clear picture of exactly what is going to happen. There, at least you know that now the either the buyers or the sellers are coming into the market, and very soon they are going to take over the market. Then with the Marabuzo candles, there you know that at least I'm going to have that strong momentum in the market, either bullish or bearish. There at least you are on a safe side that over here, let me buy for as long as I can and let me sell for as long as I can. So those candles really help so much. On my end, that is one thing I can tell you. Then of course we have the hammer, we have the doji, we have a number of them. We have a number of them. But it also depends on what you as a person you feel you're interested in. We shall look at those the strong bullish candles, the strong bearish candles. Like, it's not that every opportunity you see in the market you have to take it. At some point you find that some opportunities come and maybe you do not clearly understand exactly what is going on, but yet there is an opportunity for you in the market, but you're not understanding that particular formation that has formed. Let it pass. All right. And with binary options trading, we have very many opportunities in the market. So whatever you do not understand, let it pass. Okay, let it pass and then wait for that particular point where you understand your chart very well, the candlestick patterns, market structure in check. Of course, you know that that particular direction that you are taking, and then place in your trades. So with my strategy, which is price action, I definitely back it up with the alligator indicator. I know very many people be asking about the alligator indicator. I do not use it alone to trade. That I do not know if there are people who use it alone, but you might find there are people who use it alone. But on my end, I use my strategy, which is price action, and it being backed up by the alligator indicator. Whenever I talk about the alligator indicator, you might ask yourself, how does it work? What do you consider? So this alligator indicator, it helps me with identifying that market direction. Remember the other side, I also talked about the market direction. It also helps me identify how strong is this particular direction I'm in this particular trend that I'm in. How strong is it? All right, that is momentum. And remember, when you are having a strong trend or a strong direction, do not even bother yourself or do not even stress yourself. If you are in an uptrend, please buy. If you are in a downtrend, please sell. And of course, there we have the candlestick formations that show you that right now we are having these strong bullish candles. Okay, when you see those strong bullish candles formed, definitely you just know that over there you are on the right track for you to place in your buys. Or if for the case of downtrend, you place in your sell positions. So at some point, for you not to make your life complicated, or for you not to find that trading is very complicated, find those simple easy things in the market that are going to help you trade, but not just trading, and also being profitable. Just make sure that you ease your trading. Price action to me is very easy That's why I love using it. It's easy to understand. So, what you will focus on, just focus on understanding market structure, understanding those strong points, like I talked about, those strong highs, the strong lows. Just focus on understanding them. And then also focus so much on looking at your charts. Whenever you are to trade and you are to become a profitable trader, normalize looking at your charts so much, because that way there are certain things that I might not tell you or that you might not read about in books, but as you normalize looking at your charts, you will find that there are certain things that you're going to learn that not Lina or any other trader has actually talked about. But you find that you are going to understand them in your own way, in your own way. And then if someone asks you, you will also explain to them in a certain way that they did not also know about. Okay, so just make sure that you make it a point, you understand your charts, because every candlestick pattern that is formed on your chart is telling you something. All right, we know very well that there are very, very many candlestick patterns that are formed. So each that is formed, it's definitely speaking to you in a different or in a language that you need to ask yourself, what is this candlestick pattern telling me? How am I supposed to address it? All right, so with that, that is my strategy. Then for the alligator indicator, it helps me with the market direction, momentum, then also definitely getting trading signals. But with those signals gotten, they do not, the signals are not confirmations. So when I get the signals, I definitely run back and I look at my other three confluences and see what they are telling me. Then I place in my trade. Okay, so let me hope at least we have talked about something and we have understood something. Okay, so in case of anything that you have not understood, I'm all here for you. There we are getting for the participants. I can as well attend to a few questions here and there. Okay, Godwin and Kofi are still looking for each other. Hi, Mason. What's up? What's up? Ree, I see you over there. Lisa, what's up? What's up? Love you. All time fave. What's up? What's up? Vanato, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Medtech, good to have you. Lucky, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Khalifa, I see you over there. That is Mecca. Good to have you. Good to have you. All right. Sanjay, Vanakam, Vanakam. We are getting into it. Okay, so Sanjay is in the building. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. I appreciate you. Martin, what's up? What's up? Kolam, good to see you. Okay, just two atoms. That is for Roxy. Good, that is beautiful. Today, Sanjay is watching silently. What's up? What's up? How is your Monday so far? How is your Monday so far? And let me hope it's going on well. Whenever I'm here and I have you people, my day is always amazing. So let us keep rolling in with our donations. Really? That's lovely. That's lovely. Oh my goodness. That's making me feel like, I'm the queen of the area. Thank you, Sanjay. I really do appreciate you. So we are in for our last attempt. Let's see how we close it. Okay, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sanjay, greetings to your friends. Greetings to them. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell them Lena is so happy that they are watching me, and let me hope at least they have managed to understand a few things here and there. I'm always here to see that at least we learn something. You never know, right? Tomorrow we could be here and people are also teaching me. And in trading, by the way, we cannot say that I've learned everything. Each and every single day you find yourself learning something new. Okay, so I feel really, really happy that a whole projector for me, Lena. Oh my goodness. Miss Billionaire, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. How is your day going? How is everything over that side? We are over here into the market and we are fishing out what is rightfully ours. you know? Okay, Maker, sister, which platform you trading? Trading, that is Pocket Option Broker. All right. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Vanakam, Vanakam, all time fave. Good to have you. How is Sri Lanka? How is Sri Lanka? In Sri Lanka, guys, people are having a full billboard. Sanjay's friends and Sanjay, and they are watching me on, sorry, a billboard. Sorry, a projector. I think the excitement is getting out of hand. So they are on a projector in Sri Lanka and they are watching me trade. They are watching us, guys. How beautiful and how amazing. Trevor is in the building. Hi, Trevor. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. That is Abel over there. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Sanjay, oh my goodness. It's already 1:15 a.m. You guys, I love you so much. I love you so much. And definitely, 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 I have to rock it in Sri Lanka. Definitely, definitely. So, no time to waste, guys. No time to waste. Look at that. Who sacrifices their resting time? Their resting time. 1:15 a.m. just to watch me trade, just to learn with me. That is so impressive. Thank you so much. So that is our first attempt. We have two more to go. Trevor, that's lovely. That's lovely. Trevor has been practicing every day. So far, how is it going? How is it going? Hope you are somewhere. Hope you are getting somewhere. All right. Wanna wake up. I was just like we coming up tonight. In the morning. Column, what's up, what's up, what's up? Let's get into our second attempt. Column is saying, can you teach me? Can you teach trading, please? Okay, so over here, this is a learning session that I have each and every single day. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. So I'm going to request you to keep coming through to like and subscribe, such that every single day, at least, you join in. We learn together. The broker, that is a pocket option broker. Anyone in Sri Lanka, that is Sanjay. That is Sanjay. Mason, hola, hola, hola. What's up? Gaspard, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing, my brother? Thank you for joining in. Let's go, guys, for our second attempt. Gaspard all the way from Zambia. Goodness, goodness. How are my beautiful people of Zambia? Okay, thank you for coming through, Gaspard. Good to have you, good to have you. I send love to you and my people of Zambia. Okay, MD Said, all the way from Bangladesh. Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining. And that's lovely. Gaspard, you are all doing okay. That is food to my soul. So I love it so much. I love hearing that my people are doing okay, that my people are doing amazing. Look at that. Okay. Congratulations. That is Brian. Okay. Congratulations. Logo. Hi, Logo. Good to have you. Good to have you. Mohammed. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in, guys. My love, I share my love. I send my love to you guys. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Beautiful vibes over here. I am in with you all the way from beginning to the end. So let us keep getting locked in. All right. Give me one. One thing, one thing I love about you guys is that you guys are so focused on trading. You do not even want to talk about anything else. So yesterday, I saw people in my household. People were running up and down because of World Cup. But when I came over here for our session, everyone was so focused. Everyone was so focused on trading. I love that. I love that. Guys, we are all blessed and we are all going to make it in trading. Okay, that is Jay watching in from Nigeria. Let's go. All right. How are my beautiful people of Nigeria? How are you doing? How is everything over that side? I love those guys so much. Jay, I love your country so, so much. There are guys who are so full of vibe. So whenever I understand something about them, all I understand is their vibe, their music basically, because I do not really interact with many of them. I have a few friends and they're all full of vibe. So, and as we are here, I'm hoping to at least to know each and every one of you from different countries. I know I have people from Zambia, people from Bangladesh, people from Sri Lanka, people from Nigeria, people from the Philippines, people from South Africa, people from South Africa. Those are also another class of vibrant people. Everyone here is very vibrant. You guys are so full of life. You guys are so full of life. And when it comes to our chat over here in our comment section, you guys are so full of life. Each and every one of you is so appreciated. I love you guys so much. People from the UK, people from the US, people from wherever, people from UAE, people from Malaysia, people from Jamaica. That is another class of people. So please, I feel so blessed. People from Bangladesh. Look at that. I think we shall have a time where anyways, let's see. Let me stop unleashing things, okay? My people from India, namaste. Okay, how are you? How are you doing? That is my Akula. Okay, all the way from India. Good to have you. My amazing people from India. You guys are so full of life. DJ System, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is everyone doing? How is the sick person, your wife? How is the child? Let me hope all is improving, all is going on well. Okay. Okay. Okay, beautiful. But remember, we are taking it to 3,500 as our take profit. All right. Okay. I don't wanna let you go. Loving you is all I know. That oof. Oh no. That is for Zarel. And on our last, what we would have had as our last attempt, we have closed in a loss. So sorry about that. Sue John. Sue John, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Sue John is in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. Emmanuel, I see you over there. I see you over there. That is SL Black Panther. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. What happens actually, you find that when you overplay music, you find that whenever you request for a playlist, they will always bring most of those songs that you keep listening to. I believe you know that. So that's why you find that most of the songs are repeated on a daily basis. Pranab, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. All time fave. Oh my goodness. How come you've left so early today? Anyways, I know it's late over that side. It's really late. It's really late. It's already 1, so I can understand, my darling. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for Alice. Thank you for the time that you have given us. We are so grateful. Okay, so have a blessed night. We shall see you tomorrow. Abnas, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Kofi is in the building. Hi, Kofi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is everything over that side? How is everything? Okay, all time fave. I have a class tomorrow. That's why. Okay, it's all right, my dear. It's all right. All the very best. All the very best in your learning. And definitely, we speak a language of being profitable. May you get the very best from it. All right. Okay, guys, look at that. Just one more attempt for Maeve. Now it's all good, babe. Like I would, babe. Maybe lose. Cause girls like you. So now I like you. Guys, how are you finding today's session? Let me hear from you. How is today's session, guys? How is it? How is it? Are we on fire or something is still missing? Fill me in, fill me in. You are my people and this is our time to shine. So always feel free to send in a question, to send in a concern, such that we are all together. All right. Sanjay, I see you over there. We are on fire, guys. So let us keep it going. We keep it going. Okay, so Sanjay, all-time fave, was over there asking for anyone from Sri Lanka. But anyways, he has said he has classes tomorrow. He has gone to rest. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Okay. Okay, that is Crime Bites. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. So, when we talk about the donations, there is a donations link in my description over there. Please check it out. You will find the terms and conditions. Then, definitely, you will find the steps on how to send in a donation. Minimum being 350 US dollars. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bravo. 2 items, we are looking at 900 US dollars. Okay. You know, whenever we are there and people are dancing, I was told that when you see someone who dances so much and they are seated down, it simply means they do not know how to dance. So whenever I have a lot of energy, I'm dancing because I'm seated, I just look back and I'm like, hey, when I get onto the floor, do I really, really know how to dance? But anyways, those people who know how to dance while seated. But when I'm told to get up on my feet, that is something else now. Okay. So I'm seeing Crime Bites. Should I make the donation before I fill the information? Fill in the information. Then at the end, that's where you have to send in your wallet. You have to send in your wallet and the amount as well. Martin, 300 is minimum. That I actually do it as a give back to my people once in a while. It's not all the time I do it, all right? So you find that I choose at least one person that I can trade for that 300. It's not a must. It's just out of, the person has been present for a long time. We've moved together for a long time. So that's why at times you see that 300, but the minimum is 350 actually. Okay. Okay, Stefan, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? I do not know where my video track is. I think I'll ask Stefan. Where is my video track? I've taken long without seeing him. Okay, let me hope he's doing okay. Let me hope he's all right. Okay, guys, to each and every one of us, you are most welcome. Good to have you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always joining in. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed to have you all here. Okay. Thank you for rolling with me. It's well, Sanjay. Rufus, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Now let go. Shana, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your Monday? How are you doing? Thank you for coming in. Thank you for joining us. We are over here already into our and okay, so let us get into for solace. Two items, 750 US dollars. Wheezy Wheezy, what's up? What's up? Excuse me. Mason, I would like to speak with Tigo. Who is Tigo over here? Probably, maybe he will come through. I don't know who Tigo is, but definitely if he is on, he will reach out to Mason. Okay, we are into it. Jetty, over here we respect each other. All right, so please watch the way you speak in the comment section. Respect is key. Respect is key over here. Let's go for our last attempt for solace. Now you know I want you more. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is lovely. Congratulations to Solace. Wow, that's beautiful. 2 attempts for Solace, and we have closed in a plus. I bet you smell like you. Something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Wanda, what's up, Wanda? Good to have you. Good to have you. Daisy, what's up? What's up? Which country are you? I'm streaming live from Canada here. How about you? Which country are you watching me from? Adams, good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, Sanjay, we are on the same page. I also don't understand. Where Mason is coming from. I don't get his explanation. Okay, that's all the way from Tanzania. Good to have you. Good to have you. We have someone over here just that I think maybe he is caught up or something, but he is from Tanzania and he's called Video Truck. And definitely Stefan knows the language. So please, Stefan, that's over there, all the way from Tanzania. Okay, so that is Sohaib. Good to have you. Good to have you. Lena over here is doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. How about you? Come on, be my baby. 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 Come on. I'm in love with the shape of it. Push and pull like a magnet. My heart is falling too. Last night you were in my room. I bet she smell like you. If you discovered something brand new. I'm in love with you. Okay, Croft $500, 3 items. Let's see. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay, I'm seeing that is let me see. Let me see. Let me see. At least I play like one. I do not know much of Indian music. Like a pyramid. like a pyramid. Okay, let's get into that is our second attempt. Beautiful, beautiful. Give us a close. That is an amazing one. We are still going. One more attempt. Like a pyramid. Like a pyramid. Okay, so let us get ready for our last attempt. That is for crafts. Okay. Okay, that is a buy for us. That is my anticipation. All right. That's beautiful. That is amazing. Congratulations to Croft. Hi, Carlos. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, let me withdraw. You go, the longer go. The wind blows. Black is. Okay, Abnas. Abnas, how long? Yours. um, it could actually not take you long for as long as you are consistent. You find that maybe some of taking so long to become profitable, it's simply because we are not being consistent and we are not selective of a few things that are very important to us. When you are trading, do not make trading complicated. Do not look for those complicated or those pro strategies, all right? Look for things that are way easier for you to understand, to comprehend. And for as long as they're giving you profits, please stick to them, all right? As long as they're giving you profits, do not keep trying here and there to see which one is best or which one is making can lead you to making losses and all that stuff. If you have a particular strategy that you are using, you have a setup that you are using, you have a trading plan, please stick to them. Be consistent. Just make sure that you know about risk management. Make sure that you are patient, you are disciplined, all right? Make sure that you have your emotions in check, because that is also one thing that drags us down. We let our emotions into the market instead of first clearing our heads and then we get into the market. So please just make sure that you first clear your mind, focus onto your charts, and then things become better. Okay, so that was our first list for the participants. We did so great. Let us see how the second one is going to work out. Alexander, oh dear, what is this? Why are the buyers against me in this particular point? I anticipated a continuation, but then I was kicked out by a pullback. So sorry about that, Alexander. Jackson, 353 items. Thank you, thank you. Nashamid, thank you so much. Does so. Yes, my dear, that is very, very possible to teach you. Okay. Every single day, my session is on 3 p.m. Canadian time. My session is always for 2 good hours. So just subscribe such that each and every single day you are on with me. My session is 100% learning session, all right? Adams, Ma, are you working in a company of pocket option or on your own? On my own, my dear. On my own, Mike. Good to have you. Good to have you. If, because actually most people over here are different from the zone, all right? But actually, you find a challenge, or we find a challenge that we have a YouTube time lag. So with that YouTube time lag, you find that we are a few candles different. We have a few candles difference or a few seconds difference. So the fact that my session is all about learning, it's all about getting some few tips. Oof, my first attempt I've closed in a loss. So that simply means I'm going to give it a second try and we see. So let's see. Where this thing goes. So the sessions are always for learning purposes. So whenever the session is going to start, just make sure that you come through with a notebook. Note down a few things, ask questions where you can or where you would want to. Make sure that at least by the time you leave the session, you have learned something, you have understood something. All right. So we are all in for learning, for understanding, for sharing experiences. That is what Lena is here for. Ride with me, see where this thing goes. Ride with me, see where this thing goes. Okay, so for Jason, let's see. Stefan, I truly do not understand what people are talking about. But anyways, for as long as you are guiding a brother, good to know, good to know. We have a continuation over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations to Jackson Trader. Congratulations. Guys, today trading wise, we are on the right track. Habib, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Mike over there, greetings. Rufus, I see you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sticking around. Mm. Select a apologize. When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes. In the dark I found, I was told that I won't fly, and I sing along, I sing along. Okay. Okay, so Mike, I see you over there. One thing you should know is that I keep my leverage relatively low for risk management. Okay. I focus so much on my risks. I manage them carefully. Okay, so we are looking at a take profit of 2,000, and I'm trading on Pocket Option Broker. Get me through the night. Get me through the night. Okay, guys, we are all in for profits. Beautiful. That's a plus for us, guys. Let us keep it going. Get me through the night. See. Get me through the night. Flashlight, flashlight. You're my flashlight. Okay, so guys, in the donation, so far so good. So far so good. Okay, Stefan, I see you over there. Thank you for that feedback. Thank you for that feedback. But as well, he or she can actually learn how to trade. Can take it one step at a time. All right. And then because however much I have these donations, excuse me, or however much I do this for people who are willing to do it, I would also encourage us so much to learn and trade for ourselves, guys. That is the best there is, all right? That's the very best there is. So, Dazzle over there, thank you very much for coming through. Every single day, we learn how to trade, okay? And I would love to trade for you, but I'm also going to request you, please, just take time off, learn how to trade, learn how things are done, because however much you make, just a few profits for yourself, that is yours, all right? But with $10, I would, okay, I'm using Pocket Option Broker. That is a platform that I'm using to trade. You could actually learn as you keep practicing using a demo account. Just keep learning, focus so much, put in a lot of energy, a lot of effort for you at least to learn. It becomes so interesting, it becomes so amazing if you are trading for yourself and you know exactly what you are doing. So I would not urge you to rush into wanting to make profits, because you are definitely going to crash, all right? Because you are not yet there. You do not know exactly how things work, how the market works, all right? So first learn, first understand how things are supposed to be done, then start practicing on your demo account. From the demo account, you will advance onto the real account. Risk management, very, very important. But one thing I can tell you is that take it one step at a time. Things do not just happen overnight, all right? Okay. Penny Pal, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? How is your week so far? Excuse me. How is your week so far? Let me hope it's well. Let me hope you are doing amazing. Stephen, thank you for the information. Michael, I see you over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you around. Good to have you around. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 2 items for white taker. Okay. Our last attempt. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We need a plus. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful momentum over there. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Okay, that's lovely. That is amazing. How about your trading journey? How far, how far, how far? Justice Trader, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Okay, let me withdraw for Waiteka. Congratulations. Okay, Vero Costa, 354 items. Oh, Justice Trader, Justice Trader, I've missed you so much. Guys, Justice Trader over here, he is one of the people that I started my trading sessions with. From way back, he has been around. I'm really so happy that you are still around. Good to have you, good to have you. Really? That's amazing. That's amazing, Penny Paul. That's amazing. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and we shall definitely start seeing results, right? Don't give up. Do not relax. Do not relax. Just keep it going, and definitely the results will be juicy. Okay. Okay, so Justice Trader, hope all is well. Hope everything is amazing. That is Swahib. Okay. Good to have you. Good to have you all. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. What you going through? Yeah. Good night, Stefan. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for trading with me. Thank you for the interpretation of what Dazo was actually communicating. Let him or her take some time to learn. Things eventually get better, but when you just bump into something minus having knowledge about it, it gives you a hard time. It gives you a hard time. So let him at least take some time, learn, at least know something about trading instead of just uh, falling into something thinking that it's easy. Yet actually there are some challenges that you find that he has to understand. There are certain things that he has to know. All right, but thank you so much. Thank you so much for briefing him. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. And your heart, don't give up on your faith. Love comes around to believe. And that's the way. Life is empty with no tomorrow. Don't let it start to cry. Zero worry. Forget your sorrow. Today the market has been calm, I should say. It has been calm. There's no easy way out. We had it a bit slightly crazy, but it stabilized. At least we have those clearly identified trends. in your heart. Don't give up on your feet. Congratulations to Vero. Congratulations. That's the way it is. Guys, you're almost welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. I can never stop welcoming you, and definitely I can never stop thanking you for joining in. Please like and subscribe. Let us keep the channel going. Let us keep it growing. Keep supporting your girl Lena over here, right? Thank you, Washi. Thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around. Airboy is also still glued around. Good to have you. Good to have you. Much love and much appreciation. Lovely. Yes, please. Let's go, guys. By position over here. Beautiful. That is our first attempt for London. London Fairfax. Okay. Yeah. Yes, please. We are in a continuation. Who is seeing that right about now? Beautiful. One more to go. Guys, we are still in a bullish direction. Let us keep buying. Definitely after that pullback. Oh. Okay. That had started threatening. But congratulations to London. Congratulations, London. Yes, please. Yes, please. Habib. Ooh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I also really love it when you are present. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for your amazing participation. All right. Muji is in the building. Hi, Muji. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your week so far? Today is a Monday. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Okay, we are looking at a take profit of 1,500. Fading out on the edge of paradise. Every inch, every skin is a holy grail I gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. Okay. That is a plus. Let's go. Hi, blessings. What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. It's your girl Lena over here, and we are okay. My anticipation was a pullback. Let's see. Oh dear. So sorry about that. Macavio, we have closed in a loss on our second attempt. What are you waiting for? Okay, so let's go in for our last attempt. That is Chirovex. 4 attempts. Okay, so that will be our last attempt, guys. And then we shall come to the close of today's session. Love me like you do, la la. Ooh, for our first attempt in our loss, we give it one more attempt and we see. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. Wait for. Only you dream of me, you wish of me, you fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, Okay, guys, thank you for today's session. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for your amazing participation. Just giving my remarks as I handle our last participant, right? Or our last person. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. I always appreciate you. I always feel so happy whenever you are around. You're supporting me. You're giving me that beautiful vibe that I need as I trade. So thank you so much. Be blessed at all times, and I want you to learn how to trade such that you also make money for yourselves, you make profits for yourselves. In this session that starts at 3 p.m. Canadian time, we are all traders and we are all welcome to learn, to ask questions, to understand, to share ideas, all right? So please, whenever it's 3 p.m., feel at home. Just know that when you are with Lena, you're safe. You are free to talk trading, all right? So thank you so much, guys. As I summarize with my last participant over here. That is a plus. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, so guys, that will be it for today's donations or today's participants, and we shall continue with that tomorrow. For anyone who would love to send in a donation, please check in my description. The donations link is over there. Anyone who would love to talk to me personally, the Telegram link is also attached there. All right. Feel free to send in a message. Let's chat. Let us talk. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you.